I'm Tim Rotolo, Chairman of Premier American Uranium. Today, we're excited to announce that we've entered into a definitive agreement where Premier American Uranium will acquire all of the issued and outstanding shares of American Future Fuels. American Future Fuels owns 100% of the leasehold interest in the Sabieta uranium project located in the Grants Mineral Belt of New Mexico. This is an area that's host to one of the largest concentrations of uranium in the world and is the fourth largest uranium district in the world. Today, this announcement marks a significant leap in our journey to strengthen our foothold in the U.S. uranium market through our opportunistic M&A strategy. In addition to myself, I'll be joined by our newly appointed CEO, Colin Healy, as well as David Suda, who will join us as president from American Future Fuels. The acquisition of American Future Fuels, we believe, has highly compelling terms for its existing shareholders. Further, there's a highly strategic rationale for the combined company. First, we believe this builds critical mass in the U.S., adding the Grants Mineral Belt in addition to the Great Divide Basin in Wyoming and Uravan Mineral Belt in Colorado, all past producing regions of the U.S. Secondly, this significantly enhances our capital markets profile and shareholder base. The combined company is expected to have a pro forma market cap in excess of $100 million, with significant cash to allow us to continue our exploration. We also add several other highly institutional investors to our existing shareholder base, which includes Sachem Cove Partners, ISO Energy, Mega Uranium, and now Encore Energy. Further, it adds significant advanced project in the top uranium mining district of New Mexico. Sabieta has a historical inferred mineral resource estimate of nearly 19 million pounds at an average grade of 0.17. It has past production of nearly 3.8 million pounds with significant further exploration targets. Now I'm going to pass it off to Dave Suda, who will discuss the benefits to the shareholders of American Future Fuels.
Thank you very much, Tim. On behalf of American Future Fuel, I'm very pleased to present our shareholders with an unparalleled opportunity to grow into a dynamic company, and I'm pleased to be joining a team with a proven growth strategy and excellent track record. This arrangement provides an immediate premium and tangible benefits, including diversifying our exposure to multiple assets across 3 of the top uranium districts in the U.S. It also removes our single asset risk and enhances our investor profile, bolstering our ability to raise capital and drive the new company's strategy of creating shareholder value in this exciting uranium market. The seasoned team driving PUR brings with it a wealth of experience garnered over decades in the uranium sector, and as president, upon completion of the arrangement, I look forward to working alongside this team to drive the narrative forward and spearhead Sabieta's imminent advancement. With that, I'd like to pass it on to Colin Healy.
Thanks very much, David. I'd like to start off by saying that I'm extremely excited to be joining Premier American Uranium at such a compelling time in this space. Premier was purpose-built to take advantage of the opportunities presenting in U.S. uranium right now. With a strategic focus on building a portfolio of assets, both organically and by acquisition, in the premier uranium districts of the United States, the plan to acquire American Future Fuel and its flagship Sabieta project in New Mexico is perfectly aligned with this vision. New Mexico has a prolific history of uranium production that approaches 350 million pounds, solidifying its position as the 4th largest uranium district in the world. The Sabieta project itself boasts historic inferred resources of nearly 19 million pounds at attractive grades with nearly 4 million pounds of historic production. There continues to be a substantial market valuation differential between more advanced stage U.S. deposits and development stage assets, with the former achieving market valuations as much as 5 times higher than the latter. This presents a major opportunity to a team like ours. Premier has assembled a world-class team of technical advisors, regulatory experts, and strategic capital allocators capable of rapidly advancing Sabieta and other assets within our portfolio to close this valuation gap and deliver value to shareholders, while continuing to identify and opportunistically acquire additional projects with similar potential. With that, I'd like to hand it back to David to expand on the drivers of the emerging opportunity in U.S. uranium.
Thank you, Colin. Again, on behalf of American Future Fuels management, board, and shareholders, I want to reiterate how excited we are to move on our initial strategy to take hold of the unprecedented opportunity for creating shareholder value in uranium, particularly in the United States, with its support for nuclear and the transition to clean energy. We're excited to advance and close this transaction in Q2 of 2024. I'll pass it over to Tim.
Thanks very much, David. And we're very excited to have both of you and Colin, join us on the team at PUR. We appreciate everybody watching. We look forward to showing you more from the PUR team as the transaction advances and closed. For more information, you can visit our website, premierur.com, and learn more. And don't forget to join our mailing list to stay updated on our further progress.